Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Palesa and welcome to this hair review video. If you're new to my channel, hi from your now favorite YouTuber. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and choosing to watch it. Thank you for my regulars for coming through. Let me know you're here in the comment section down below. Today's video is sponsored by the guys at Luvme Hair, and they sent me this gorgeous package. This is the 14-inch kinky curly wig. It is about neck length, and it is a 5x5 undetectable lace closure unit. I'm going to tell you all about this wig and show you how I install it with no glue, no gels, no tape, nothing. This is a completely glueless install, and it is perfect for the beginner wig wearer. If you have any questions about this wig, please let me know in the comment section and I will help you as best as I can. Watch the whole video because I do have a discount code of 20%, so you can get you guys some good hair. I hope you enjoy the video. So the hair came in this lovely box. This is the signature purple Luvme hair box, and in the box obviously there's the hair, which came in this baggie. Then they included a little pamphlet with all the information and details, and then they have some goodies in this bag: an edge brush, this beautiful compact mirror, I think it's so cute, and then a silk scarf as well as some wig caps. The hair, this is what the curls look like. I did co-wash the hair once it came because I did go ahead and bleach the knots, and this is what the bleached knots look like. I know it looks a little bit brassy, but I will tone it again with purple shampoo. Then it has this adjustable strap to secure the wig, and it does have combs. I just want to show you, this is what the bleached knots look like on my hand. So this hairline came like this. I did not pluck it, and I don't think I will pluck it. It looks pretty natural and I'm happy with it. This is a little trick I learned. Cutting off these little lace side tabs will help your closure blend in more, so it will make it look more natural. But also, if you're a baby hairs person, when you do the baby hairs, I find that you can give the illusion of a frontal and not a closure. So very important with closure wigs, cut away these excess lace tabs and make sure you cut it all the way into the hair so it looks very natural. So I'm going to be cutting away the excess lace, and as you can see, I'm sort of going in a zigzag motion. I just want to have a moment of silence for this lace. Can you see, after cutting away that lace, how it blends into the skin? And I haven't even tried to do anything. This is the HD undetectable lace from Luvme Hair. I love how easily it blends into the skin. Because this is a glueless install, I'm just going to be using my Afri True mousse, and I'm simply going to apply it directly onto that lace because you could see the ends of the lace are kind of sticking up. So I'm just going to use the mousse to kind of make it blend but kind of stick to my forehead a little bit, and that will help it blend in the long run. So I'm going to position the wig the way I want it to lay, put some more mousse onto it and kind of press it down into those front hairs and into the lace, and then I'm going to lay it with the silk scarf. Just tie it down tightly enough and it will just lay that wig for me nicely and make it blend a lot better. So I went ahead and switched out the silk scarf for my elastic band. Elastic bands just blend lace in a lot better, and you will see as soon as I remove it, the lace is non-existent. It looks like this hair is growing from my scalp. What I'm doing now is just using the powder brush I used, and I'm just applying powder just to make the lace blend in a lot more, and then I am going to go in and style it. This hair needs absolutely no product. I am strictly spraying water. So there's just water in this bottle. Spraying water, and then I'm going to brush it out because I just want to revive these curls. To give my part the skin-like finish, I'm using the brush I used to apply concealer, and I'm simply just spreading the concealer onto that part just to make it pop a little bit and give it the same tone as my skin. Then I'm using my ORS Wrap Shape Mousse just for the beginning of the curls, like right in the front. I want to mold that area and those curls so they hold but also stay off my face. Okay guys, so this is what I look like finally. Simple makeup, and this hair is pretty simple. I just spritzed it with water and applied a bit of mousse at the top. This is a completely glueless unit, so what that means is I didn't use any got2b, I didn't use any gel. All I did was use the same wrap set mousse that I used to set the curls at the top, just so the lace would kind of blend in right in the beginning, and as you can see it did. And just to prove it, there it goes. Like, it's not tacked down or anything, which is absolutely amazing. I also did not pluck the lace on this thing. Didn't pluck it. It came like this. All I did was bleach the knots so they could blend better with my hair. And yeah, the curls are super soft. I love the length. It's really giving cute vibes. Like, I think this is going to be my mummy wig. I really like it. And I'm going to give you guys the details of this wig again. It is from Luvme Hair, and it is the 14-inch neck length kinky curly wig with 5x5 undetectable lace closure. But these curls are so bouncy, like they really are bouncy. And I'm just gonna turn around so you can like see the back. Like, it's really playful, and these curls are so bouncy. Love them. I'm going to leave all the details for you in the description box down below. If you want a 20% discount, just use my discount code PM20. I'm going to put that on the screen for you, and you can purchase this wig at 20% off. That is it for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave them for me in the comment section down below. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. I will see you in my next one.